Welcome to Crafts with Ms. Rachel, day 1. So excited. Here's some things that you're going to need for crafts today. Number 1, you're going to need your glue bottle. So go find some glue. You might need your parents to go to Walmart to get you some glue, but get your glue bottle. Then you're going to need a lid. The lid must bend like this. So good lids, butter tub lids, perfect. Yogurt lids like on the big containers. Those are also really good. But you need your parents' permission to go grab that lid. So go ask your parent if you can steal one off the butter tub or the yogurt lid. But you're going to need it for 5 days. So, again, ask for permission. Next thing you're going to need is your VBS box. We're going to use our VBS box every single day. So, let's see what's inside our VBS box. First, you need your super cool sunglasses. Nice. You're looking all stylish while you're doing your crafts. Then you're going to need your day 1 craft card. So each day we're going to have a craft card for our craft. On the side it's going to have some pictures, and then it's going to say the day at the top. So you need your day 1 craft card. And then you're going to have to get the supplies out for day 1. Our day 1 supplies are in a little bag like this. They got some rocks, and that's it. Now we're going to get started. Alright friends, so when you end your craft, it is going to be super, super wet and gross. And it's not going to look very pretty. But what you're going to do is you're going to let your craft dry for 5 days. So by the end of VBS, this craft will be done. And I bet you're looking at it and you're like, what on earth did I just make? Well, you just made a sun catcher. So a sun catcher, when you look at it through the sun, or when the sun goes through it, it actually makes your craft look better than it did at the beginning. And you know, that's kind of like our Bible story today. In our Bible story today, God created everything, but He created people, and He created us to reflect His image. So when God shines through us, we actually look better, do better, than when we don't have God shining through us. And we're going to talk more about that this week, because there's this thing that we're going to talk about tomorrow called sin, and sin messes that up. We don't reflect God very well when we have sin in our life. Now, I actually have a dry craft. So my craft has sat here for 5 days and it's dry. So when you're done, what it's going to do is it's going to pop out of your lid very easily. So you're going to bend your lid like this. It's going to bend, and it's going to make a little crinkling noise. And you'll pull it off very, very slowly. So you're going to pull the edges off of your craft like this, and then it'll just pull right out of your craft like that. Now, the back of it is still going to be a little bit wet, so what you'll do is you'll set it upside down on your table and let it sit there for a couple days. Okay? Not probably more like a couple hours, and it'll be dry. And then, when you're done, you're going to hang it up in your window, and the sun is going to shine through it, and it's going to look so cool. Isn't that cool? I like it. So, I hope you guys had fun on day 1. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.